Hello, my name is Connor McCauley, and I'm presenting on my proposal on how to improve LGBTQ plus literacy among the Mount Union Nursing Department. I stand before you today as the author and advocate for the University of Mount Union Health Literacy Program. This proposal is a response to the crucial gaps in nursing education, one that demands our immediate attention and concerted efforts. As healthcare landscapes evolve, so must our educational programs to meet the diverse needs of the communities we serve. Today, we confront a significant deficiency in our nursing education, the lack of culturally competent care for LGBTQ plus individuals. The proposal, rooted in comprehensive research and a commitment to inclusivity, seeks to seamlessly integrate queer health literacy into the nursing curriculum at the University of Mount Union. This initiative is not just about acknowledging the unique health requirements of the LGBTQ plus individual, but about actively mitigating suboptimal care and compromised health outcomes linked to discrimination, stigma, and insufficient awareness. Research has illuminated a prevalent issue among nursing students: negative attitudes, knowledge gaps, and a discomfort in administering care to LGBTQ plus individuals. The Department of Nursing Queer Health Literacy Program is our strategic response to address these challenges systemically. The program aligns with the goals outlined in Healthy People 2020, emphasizing the necessity of a robust curriculum to enhance the health, safety, and well-being of LGBTQ plus individuals. Additionally, we cannot ignore the documented health disparities in this community, from higher rates of substance abuse, HIV, and STIs to mental health concerns and a reduction of access to screenings. Furthermore, the goals of our program are clear and ambitious. The goal is to seamlessly integrate queer health literacy education throughout the nursing curriculum, ensuring that LGBTQ plus health topics are comprehensively addressed at various stages of the program. This foundational understanding of LGBTQ plus health needs and disparities will be complemented by enhancing nursing students' knowledge, cultivating an inclusive and welcoming learning environment, and instilling the importance of ethical care and social justice, as well as equipping the students with the necessities and skills to communicate effectively with LGBTQ plus patients. To meet the goal, I propose we initiate teaching modules, including online systems, conversation-based learning, and realistic simulations tailored to the unique needs of LGBTQ plus patients. These methods contribute not only to improving student confidence and reducing anxiety, but also to enhance assessment techniques. Outcomes are centered around ensuring that nursing graduates possess the skills and knowledge necessary to delivering culturally competent care to LGBTQ plus individuals. Additionally, the program will continually assess the program's effectiveness through a robust system of evaluation, seeking feedback from students, faculty members, and LGBTQ plus patients. The literacy program is crucial in making any necessary improvements to the program, maintaining its relevance, and ensuring its ongoing success. Implementing the University of Mount Union Queer Health Literacy Program requires significant resources and personnel, a dedicated faculty program leader, as well as the director of Department of Nursing's approval, and faculty development resources, LGBTQ plus health experts, access to relevant literature, and collaboration with LGBTQ plus community and partners and patients. These are all valuable and necessary key components into implementing this program. These resources are integral to the success of our program and will contribute to the ongoing education and proficiency of our faculty and students. Now, however, I must acknowledge that there are limitations to this program. While we focus on preparing nursing students to deliver culturally competent care, we need to recognize that larger societal issues significantly impact reducing disparities faced by LGBTQ plus individuals. Legal protections, societal attitudes, and broader structural challenges are beyond the scope of nursing education, and our program is a step in the right direction, but is not the pinnacle, and it's not going to be the end-all, be-all, or the solution to all. Furthermore, there are some potential roadblocks in implementing this kind of program, such as resistance or bureaucratical obstacles. Additionally, faculty members or students may face prejudices or biases, and there may be significant concerns about political or cultural backlash in completely changing the nursing department's program in order to promote queer health literacy. Furthermore, in conclusion, the University of Mount Union Department of Nursing Queer Health Literacy Program is a strategic and comprehensive response to the critical void in nursing education. As healthcare dynamics evolve, nursing programs are mandated to adapt, and our program embodies a commitment to advocating the competency of nursing students in delivering culturally competent care to LGBTQ+ individuals. Together, let us embark on this transformative journey towards a more inclusive and equitable healthcare future. Thank you.